Namaste and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video, a video guide to help you through your journey through Germany. Today we're going to dive deep into the application and approbation procedure, which, as you might know, differs significantly from state to state where you might choose to apply. Let's learn. Germany has 16 states, each with its own health office responsible for licensing and registration of doctors. Your choice of state where you choose to apply can significantly impact the requirement of documents and the waiting period till you get an approbation. So think and choose wisely. If you are, however, looking for specific requirements and the document list that you need to complete your application for a permanent license or an approbation, I have made a video. This is the link up here. And if you're looking for specific requirements and documents that you need for a temporary license called the Berufserlaubnis, I have also made a video, and that's up here. Should you be looking for those specific informations, check out these video links. Let's move on. As I mentioned before, the waiting period can notably vary between states, where popular options such as Berlin, Bayern, Baden-Württemberg, and Nordrhein-Westfalen having waiting periods extending up to 18 months. I would suggest choose less popular states, a strategy I adopted when choosing Hamburg. Not only will it save you money, but also save you extended periods of waiting and the anxiety that comes with it. A silver lining to this strenuous process of application is that once you get an approbation, you are free to work in any of the 16 states across Germany, opening up opportunities to the sought-out branches across medicine, where there is a high demand for doctors like you. That's correct. You can apply to any of the 16 states for a job in Germany, regardless of which state gave you the approbation. Moving on to proving your equivalency, let's first discuss people who have studied in Germany. You are automatically considered at par, provided you can effectively communicate in German. If you, however, completed your education within EU, you are also automatically considered at par. However, you need to demonstrate your proficiency in medical German by giving the Fachsprachprüfung or the FSP test. Finally, for those such as you and I who have studied outside the EU in countries called the Drittstaat or the third countries, the road is a little bit longer. You have to prove your competency in medical German language through the Fachsprachprüfung and prove your competency in knowledge of medicine either through an exam called Kenntnisprüfung or through equivalency of your medical degree called Gleichwertigkeitsprüfung. If you want to know and dive into much more detail about this discussion, I have a complete video detailing the entire knowledge up here, so you can check it out if that's the information you're looking for. Preparing documentation required to be submitted for an application of an approbation is quite a task because all the information is available in German. I can read and understand German. That is why I want to detail it out for you in a language you can understand and comprehend. However, once your knowledge of German language increases, it will become easier for you to go on websites yourself and find out the necessary information. Keep at it and keep learning your German language. Embarking on this journey for a PG in Germany indeed is a mammoth step, and I can understand if you're feeling overwhelmed. That is why I am here to assist you at every step. Be sure to check out the rest of my videos in this playlist called PG in Germany, which is linked down in the description and also on my channel, which will equip you with all the knowledge that you need on your journey to a PG in Germany. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and write down in the comment section any questions, doubts, or ideas you might have to share with me, and I will get back to you. Until then, this is me signing off. Namaste. Alles Gute.